gorgeous today? So today I wanna decorate. So I got a few decorations, not a lot, but I'm going to jazz up my apartment a little bit and speed through it for real. So you guys have already seen that I have a cauldron with some candy. I have some pumpkins. I got my little fall area over there that looks all cute with the pillows. I'm still not sure if I like it 100% yet. So a lot of decorations that I do have is pretty old. I don't have that much stuff that's actually new. So I have a pack of spider webs. I think I got this from Target, Five and Below, Walmart. It's been about 2 years, but I still have this pack of spider web, which lasts a long time. It was $3, so I got these skulls that the eyes change color. I got these from the dollar store last year, and I think they still have them in the dollar store this year, Dollar Tree to be specific. I got these purple lights from last year. These are from the dollar store as well. I got this from the dollar store last year. It says enter if you dare. I really want to decorate outside my door, but I'm kind of scared that somebody might take it. But I think this tape will go outside the door because like who will take this? Like really? Would you really tear this down? I got these from the Dollar Tree to go at the window. This is some handprints and this says keep out, you know, because people got cooties. Wash your hands, wear your mask, by the way. I got this garland to hang up. I don't know if I want to hang this in front of the TV, on my bookshelf, or on like this archway thing up there. I don't know yet. But I got three. I got 3 of the orange one, which is 48 inches, and I also got 3 of the black one, which is 48 inches. I thought they will mesh well together. Yeah, they mesh well together. I like that. And I got this black and orange one with like little pumpkins on it. And this is 9 feet long, so I might end up cutting this. I got this door cover from the dollar store. It says beware spooky, enter if you dare, and it has like little hands in it. And I might put this outside on the door, or I might just put this on my closet door. I'm not really sure yet, but we're gonna see how it looks. So far, this is my favorite purchase. It says trick or treat, happy haunting, haunted houses, jack-o'-lanterns, toil and trouble, cobwebs, and black cats. And it has little drawings on it. And this is from the dollar store as well. See, Dollar Tree got some things for $1. Y'all gotta look there first before you go to the Spirit Halloween and the Party City. Go to the dollar store first because you might find some gems. I'm just saying. All right, I think that is everything. So I'm gonna start decorating. I'm gonna probably speed through this. Oh, and these are from the dollar store too. Okay, let's get into it. Alright you guys, my apartment is fully decked out for now though. If I add anything else, I will let you know. You guys probably gonna do some more shopping with me videos. Let me know if you guys like those because I like doing them. And yeah, it's a little past 3 a.m, you know, the haunting hours, and it's time for me to go to sleep. So I'm gonna catch you guys in my next video. Give it a thumbs up, a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.
Everyone hail to the pumpkin king now.